I'm Stacy. Today I wanted to show you how to make a very easy teriyaki chicken. First we're going to take a saucepan and we are going to combine some granulated garlic. This is going to be 2 teaspoons of dried granulated garlic. Then we're going to add a half a cup of honey. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and put in 3/4 cup of soy sauce. Now you probably would want to get the low sodium soy sauce, otherwise this mix becomes a little bit too salty. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And 1 cup of chicken broth. We're going to heat this up until the honey is melted. We want to make sure that everything is combined well. This is only going to take about a minute, and I probably won't wait that long. I'm just going to stir in these ingredients at least. And the next ingredient is going to be 1 small onion. Once all of these ingredients are combined, then we're going to be pouring it on our chicken. I've already put it in a pan for us. So we're going to put it on here and then we're going to refrigerate it for at least an hour. You can do up to 24 hours. And so we're going to go ahead and put everything together. And this would be our marinade. So we would go ahead and put this into, we're gonna go ahead and cover this and put this chicken into the refrigerator and let it sit for 24 hours. And then if you choose to, you can add some chopped pineapple to it. Now that is up to you if you want to. I like it, and then it's even nice if you put some fresh pineapple on top. But I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, refrigerate it, and then after we're all done with letting it marinate for a while, we'll put it in our oven for about an hour at 350 degrees. And I do cover mine too, and then take off the foil at the last 15 minutes of baking. But this is what it looks like. So it turns out really good. It's a sweet teriyaki chicken. It goes well with rice, and you can put a nice salad with it. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.